Making $10,000 from doing something as cool as YouTube Shorts? Sounds impossible, doesn't it? This is something I think is very overlooked and not enough people are doing it. I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. $10,000? That can definitely buy you a lot of things. So just imagine being able to work online and make this kind of money. Shelly Hopkins here. And hey, if you're thinking, oh, Shelly, I have to be some kind of YouTube expert to make money online like this. Nope, there's no experience necessary. You won't have to pull out your wallet either because this is totally free. And guess what? It is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you live either. If you're wondering, Shelly, what's the catch? Okay, there is a catch. It's simple. YouTube wants to be like TikTok. It wants to be like Instagram Reels. So they're pushing short-term videos. Boom, 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 as fast as possible. They're offering money. They're doing everything that they can to get your attention to get YouTube Shorts up on the YouTube channel. They are now needing long-form content as well as short-form content, which is up to 60 seconds long. 60 seconds, guys. I mean, come on. Plus, I can tell you for a fact, there's people that's good at long-form content and people that's good at short-form content. Perfect, right? So YouTube needs you to make short-form content because they're begging for it. And you can make a lot of money doing this. Listen, before we get into this content, do me a favor. Give this video a like because it helps me and it helps the algorithm. And let me show you this other channel that I think you're going to like. The channel's called King Elon Musk. Now, if you scroll down, it was a person that was doing make money online, but has switched to Elon Musk. I don't know about you, but I like Elon Musk, so I think it's pretty cool. So do me a favor and help this guy out. Let's subscribe to his channel. I'll go ahead and I will put the link to this channel below. So go ahead, subscribe, and check out some of these videos. They're pretty good. Now you want to do something trending. So to look and see what's trending on YouTube, if you do pound shorts plus, you'll see weight loss, travel, gadgets, motivation, facts, affiliate marketing, luxury, make money online, fitness, crypto, dogs. You kind of get the idea. So you could use any of these ideas. Let's use motivation to come up with ideas and stuff that you want your channel to actually be about. I know motivation is really popular right now, and I can show you exactly how you can do it with it as well. Now, for some motivation on motivation, get it? You can always go to TikTok. It's what's doing real good. It's blowing up. But you know, right now, I mean, you can look at some of these videos, but right now, what's really been, what I'm watching is Facebook. So if you were to look up like motivational videos on Facebook, and I'm just using this as an example. I mean, you could do health and wealth is huge. Gaming, I mean, you can video yourself even gaming. And like this one looks cool. And say we wanted this video. What is your why motivational video? This one looks cool. So if we were to take this and open up fdown.net, fdown.net, paste it, download, and that way it'll let you actually download and save this video if you wanted it. I'll actually go ahead and put in the upper corner. I actually did another video where you could actually use somebody else's and just add, you know, music or take little parts from it. So I'll add that up here. But remember, when you do something like that, that you need to give the person credit where the video came from. But I'm going to show you a different way to do it today. Okay, to make the actual shorts video, we're going to go to Canva. And I have a link down in my bio for Canva that you can go directly to. I'm also going to show you, we're going to look up shorts. I'm also going to show you where you can get pictures and music and everything that can be for free to go in your shorts video to create. So I looked up shorts, created a design. I chose this one. Now, what I did is I added just a few pictures. If you go to uploads, so here's some pictures. And if you take one picture that's like this and you want it full, no, you can leave it like this and you can put like one here and something here. But what I tend to like to do is, let's just make it full length like that. And then you can put like this in here is 3 seconds. You can add another clip. I already added 2 right here. So this one's 3 seconds, this one's 5 seconds. If you want to add another one, do just like I did. Take and let the picture go bigger. And 5 seconds is fine. And then if you want to put something over them, you might be thinking, where can I get some inspiration? Well, I can always go to Pinterest. And let's just say, do it for your future self. Do it for your future self. And you can go up here, you can change these to any colors, any kind of font. You can make it smaller. And then again, you know, you kind of get the idea, and you can create something here. Again, go to Pinterest, create it here. You can hit play like the first one. We'll go to 3 seconds and then 5 seconds. And then when you're done, just download, and save it in MP4. Then you will be able to directly upload onto YouTube. Now, where do I get the pictures at? Now, I actually got all of mine from Envato Elements. This, it's a subscription. It is. I pay for it like yearly. It's not that expensive, but I get all of my videos and my pictures and free music, and everything is all in one place on Envato Elements. But for your pictures, if you just go to any one of these, all of these has free pictures that you can get. And then if you want music, you just can get free music for free off of the YouTube library itself. Once you're actually in YouTube, then just click this button, upload the video, and then you can pull it directly from your computer and save it. And if you don't know how to actually create your channel itself, I'll go ahead and I'll put a link at the top to go ahead to teaches you exactly how to create your YouTube channel. Now you're probably wondering, okay, Shelly, how do I get money? Now, YouTube will pay you once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. That's just an extra bonus. But affiliate marketing is a great way that you can make money before you ever even get monetized on YouTube and later on. One of the most popular sites is Clickbankcom. So I'm going to show you that one. Plus, almost anybody, once you apply, they get accepted. And they have all kinds of stuff from art and entertainment, I see on TV, business, computer. They have all kinds of stuff. You could browse through it and look and take anything that has to do with whether it's, you know, fitness. We're sticking to the motivational thing for now. But like I said, you could do gaming. There's all kinds of things that you could do. But for motivational, you could do anything. And you could pick that product, simply put it in the description of your shorts video. But you also want to put it in the first comment of your shorts video, because that way it's going to show up. Because a lot of times people aren't going to click on a description on shorts, but they're able to click on the first comment of your shorts video. All right, friends, did you like that video? Pretty cool, right? Did you like the video? All right. Hey, but you know what? I want to tell you about something that's way more passive because I love YouTube. The truth is whether you're doing long form content or short form content, it takes a while to build up, even if you're doing affiliate marketing. So if you're doing affiliate marketing and everything on the front end, you're going to make more money, but it still takes a little bit of time to get the money rolling. So I want to introduce you to a way to start your own business, to learn more into affiliate marketing, and do exactly what I do, because I'm going to put the link in the bio. And it's just because you need to trust me on this one. I have been working at home for 4 years now, ever since I lost my job. My whole department got laid off on April Fool's Day. And this is what I got into and I have learned about, and I just keep getting into it, and I love it so much. And I just want to tell the world about it because I know if it helped me, it can help you as well. So what are you waiting for? Okay, go ahead, invest in yourself and give up your time. You don't need a whole lot, and click the first link in the bio. And you know, I think that if you like this video, you'll like the next one that I'm going to have up above because it's similar to this one. See you in there because I'm there. Get it?